Hey guys, today I want to show you how to set up your Amazon household and add family members. So first, log into your Amazon account. So this is crucial. You need an Amazon account to add a new household. So then, after that, click on your name on your top bar here. Click on an account. Head over to your Amazon family and click on it. Now, it will be directed to this page. So, here, you can add your Amazon family members. So for example, you can add a new adult here. Click on Link Separate Accounts. Or you can create a profile in your account. So link here, we will type your invitee name and email. For example, your wife name and email, and click on Continue. Or you can just create a new profile here. So for example, let's call it Children. Click on Create. And here you added a new family member. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave a comment. See you in the next video.